Well, what we have here? This is my new tail light from Gaciron. This is the LOOP-100. It's a very small, minimal tail light that will be installed on my bike. The packing is very simple, very minimal. Inside the box we will find the mounts of the tail light. There are two mounts. This one is for the rails of the saddle. This is the charging cable, the Allen tool that will help us later. Here you can see the tail light itself. This is the LOOP-100. It is now mounted with the mount for the seat post. Here it is, very simple, very nice the style. This has a maximum brightness of 100 lumen. This is the clip for the seat post. It has a magnetic clip and it releases with a plastic thing there. So it has a max brightness of 100 lumen, USB-C charging. It is waterproof at IPX6. It has 2 hours charging time and it lasts up to 40 hours. This is the mount for the rails of the saddle, also magnetic. It attaches to the rails of the saddle and you can attach your tail light like that. Very nice. This is the Type-C charging cable, and here down there you can see the USB port that we should charge it right now. We will charge now the light. We will see that in the front there is a light at the bottom that is red or blue when it is fully charged. Here you can see it is blinking red. This means that it is charging. So now the rear light is already charged. You can see the blue light. When you press one time you see blue, so this means that it's fully charged. And now you can see the flashing modes. You press continuously to turn on. Press 1 to change the mode. So these are the flashing modes. To turn off, you press continuously and that's it. It has here a magnetic clip and you can mount this in two ways. One way is to put it in the seat post and one other way is to install it at the rails of the saddle. This mount is the mount for the seat post. You can change the angle with this from this side to the other side like that. I think that we will install it like that. Very simple. And you take this rubber ring and you take it from the other way. That's it. And you take the rear light and just like that. Okay, very nice. I like a lot this style. It's very nice for this bicycle. And now we'll try to mount this light at the race of the saddle. To release the light, you have to press this plastic thing here and take it out like that, up, just like that, very easy. We will take this out, and this is the mount for the rails. It will be like that. We have to remove these bolts with the Allen key that it is included in the package. So it is looking like that. You just tighten these bolts. It's a bit dirty here. I will clean it from the last ride. And now I will take the light and install it. What do you think? Before it was better, or now it is better? I think here is looking more stable. I think I prefer it like that. The light is very bright. I will test it in the road. It's very nice, and the mount is very stable here, not moving at all. And as I told you before, you press this back and you push up to remove it. Very nice. I hope you like the video. I like very much this light. I will try it this summer. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Safe rides!